Okay, dear customers, this film just to show you how to repair the shake. Okay, at first you should prepare the scissors and the screwdriver. Okay, the first step, remove the cover. Okay, when you remove the cover, be careful of the screw. When you can't, do not lose the screw. If you lose it, it's hard to find. Okay, push the buckle. Here the buckle and take away. Here. Push the buckle and take away. Also about here. They totally have 3 buckles. Okay, and put it on here. The next step, remove. There have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and remove all of this. Be careful. Okay, put the screw on here. Take this cover away. Yeah, do you see there have you use your scissors to cut this and this. Okay, how about it's maybe about cut about 1.5 millimeter, like this, 1.5 or 2 millimeter. Use the cut, but the important thing is keep it flat. Yeah. Use the cut to use the scissor to cut. It's about like this. Yes, 1.5 millimeter or 2 millimeter. And this. Okay, consider the films. Consider of the film size. That's all. So thank you.